Hello and welcome to Bidoof Showcase, a series where I showcase Bidoof. Today's Bidoof is this one. Bidoof. No, don't attack. Don't attack. Catch. I've been drinking. Been drinking tonight. Pokeball. Yay! What is happening? Stop. Bidoof. Bidoof Showcase. Bidoof. Bidoof. Catch the Bidoof. Bidoof Showcase. Bidoof Showcase. Oh, I didn't catch it. Bidoof Showcase. I don't know if I'm doing it right. Oh, I am. Yes, catch this Bidoof. It will be named Bidoof. 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 Bidoof Showcase. Bidoof. 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 All the things you said, running through my head, running through my head, running through my head. All the things you said, running through my head. Yes, name the Bidoof. Oh, I can't see the screen. Hold on. View. I changed to emulated so that it looked better. Bidoof. 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 Okay. View. LCD layout. Vertical. Where's my Bidoof? Bidoof. 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 Hello, welcome to Bidoof Showcase, the series where I showcase Bidoof. Today's Bidoof is Bidoof. Bidoof was caught on August 3rd, 2025. Bidoof is a naive nature. Bidoof was caught en route to a one in the Sinnoh region. Thank you so much for watching. Please feel free to leave a comment with a suggestion of a Bidoof and you might need a later video. Bye bye.